Hey everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can access your peer review assignment for the Literature Review Rough Draft. So as you can see right now, I'm in our Moodle account, our Moodle page. I am on the student access, so this should look familiar to you. So if you scroll down into the Literature Review Rough Draft assignment that you submitted your paper to, down at the bottom, and click that. Obviously, I didn't submit an assignment, so I don't have a submission here, but you should see your submission. But on this peer review assignment, it should show up in here. So you should see that you have a review required, and this is the grade that you will receive depending on the quality of feedback that you provide to your peer. Here shows the rubric that you're going to be using. This is the same rubric that you will be graded on for your own work on the rough draft. So you're going to use this rubric to grade your peer, and you will also have the ability to provide comments for feedback, just as I do. So if we close out of that, maybe. Okay, so I have never used Moodle's peer reviews before, but I believe if you click on, what I did was click this green, it looks like a person inside of a piece of paper, and this will launch the peer review page. And what you should see is that you have a review assigned to you. Because I didn't submit anything, there's not a peer review assigned. So you should see the peer review that is assigned to you, and if your peer has already reviewed your paper, you should see the feedback that you received here. So my hope is that you'll see your graded rubric and any comments that your peer provides to you. So here are your instructions. This is your whenever you're able to start reviewing, when the review is due, and then hopefully you should be able to see any feedback that your peer provides on yours as soon as possible. So remember, your grade is not dependent on how your peer grades you. Instead, your grade is dependent upon the quality of feedback that you provide to your peer. So you're going to, again, be using the rubric and providing any additional feedback in the comments for further clarification and instruction. If you have any more questions, let me know. Hopefully this was helpful for you. So let me know if there needs to be further clarification on anything.